Gutti Vankaya Masala Curry recipe. It is a spectacular dish that's made for a special meal and it tastes super delicious with a burst of flavors. Take a pan and add 1/2 cup of peanuts, 1/2 cup of cashews. Dry roast them until all the raw smell is gone or it turns golden brown. Roast them on low to medium heat. See the dark spots on them. Now add stone flour very little, 2 small bay leaves, 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds. Roast them until the sesame seeds are starting to splatter. Switch off the heat and transfer to a plate and let it cool down completely. Add it to the blender jar and keep it aside. Take a pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Now fry the brinjal in oil until it turns golden brown and cook up to 70%. It is a traditional dish and varies by region and family. There are different versions of it. In this post I share my mom's Gutti Vankaya curry that's super easy to make and tastes delicious with a blast of flavors. In the same pan again add 2 tablespoons of oil. Now add 1 medium-sized diced onions. For 5 green chilies. Fry them until it turns golden brown. Saute them on low to medium heat. Onions and green chilies are roasted well. Then switch off the heat and let it cool down completely before adding to the blender jar. Add it to the blender jar. 1 big tomato cut into cubes and add it to the blender jar. Coriander, few mint leaves, 1/2 cup of water and grind to a fine paste. Masala paste is ready. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. Now add grinded masala paste to the pan. Combine well and let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Stir occasionally. When the masala paste is cooked a little in the oil, then add all the spices. 1 tablespoon of garam masala powder, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. Salt adjust accordingly. 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Combine everything well. Subscribe my channel for more videos. Curry is too thick. Add water to adjust the consistency of the curry. 1/2 cup of water to the blender jar for the remaining masala paste and add to the curry. Adding 1/2 more cup of water. Curry is too thick. Combine well. Total 1 cup of water is used. Cover with lid and bring to the boil. Check the curry. Masala gravy is cooked perfectly. Combine well. Now add fried brinjals to the gravy and mix well. Mix gently. Cover with lid and cook until the brinjals are completely cooked. Brinjal will completely coated with the spices and masala, then the flavor of the gravy will become more delicious. See the oil is separated, then the Gutti Vankaya Masala curry is ready. Give a mix, switch off the heat, garnish with cilantro. Transfer to a bowl and ready to serve. Serve and enjoy. It is eaten with hot rice, bagar rice, ghee or chapathi.